Hey everybody, Adam Savage here in my cave, and behind me you see my replica of the Windsor crown, the crown of the royal family of England. I think this is the coronation crown. I built this recently as a one-day build, and you should know a couple things. One is, this is a test crown. This is my first pass at the crown. I want to make one that's more durable. This one, I did a lot of gluing on this, and it's not going to last. It's great for me understanding all of the different pieces and parts and bits and bobs of the crown, but for the specifically when we're talking about durability of an object that has some real heft to it, some narrative heft. This isn't the final. Again, just a trainer crown, as it were. I think the queen in the crown, they had her like walking around, practicing walking, and you really do need some practice on this thing. But that's not what I wanted to talk about. This isn't a one-day build in which I'm going to redo this crown. That's a separate build. That'll happen. But what did happen was weirdly, like a few hours after I finished this, and just to be totally clear with you, the day I built this was January 6th. Yeah, the Capitol building insurrection. That's the day I built this. The irony of me making a royal king's crown on the day that democracy was under siege is not lost on me. But a few hours after I finished that, I got an email from a friend acquaintance of mine, Chad Evett, who's a costume designer and builder. Chad and I were corresponding last year about me commissioning a costume from him. He's a phenomenal maker, designer and maker of costumes, a very active cosplayer and maker of cosplay. And you will see me wearing some stuff of his in the next year. But right now, what you should know is that he emailed me just like a few hours after I finished the crown and said, hey, I've got the king's cape. I've got this king's cape, and I'm wondering if you wanted to buy it from me. And I'm like, are you reading my mind? I literally just finished the crown. And he's like, oh, well, if you just finished the crown, maybe you want to buy the whole suit from me. He said, I built it out of some curtains. I guess he saw it in the window and couldn't resist it. Lest you think that that joke is mine, it is so not. It is one of the greatest jokes ever written by Carol Burnett in a famous episode of the Carol Burnett Show in which she plays Scarlett O'Hara from Gone with the Wind, and she's got to get a dress going, that famous scene in the movie where she's got to put on a dress, and in the show, she tears the curtains down and puts them on, and it's just amazing. The curtain rod is going across, and the curtains come up, and she looks like a curtain, like a person walking around as a curtain. And Harvey Korman plays Rhett Butler, and he says, Scarlett, that dress is incredible. And she said, thank you. I saw it in the window. And I couldn't resist it. At any rate, Chad said, would you like to buy this whole costume that I built for King George III? It is not a stage replica of what Jonathan Groff wore for the original run of Hamilton, but it is darned close. And I said, yes. Reader, I said, yes. So he sent it to me. Sorry, I sent him some money, and he sent me the costume. We're going to put on a king's costume right now. I know. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, okay. Chad sent 2 boxes, and one says, open me first. Open me first. Open me first. That's an exciting thing to get. Okay. Oh, to the king. For the king. Pour le roi. Look at this. He's even got his own wax seal. Because he's classy. Yes, fancy pants, all of his. I hope this costume brings you as much joy as it did me. Wear it well, Your Majesty, Chad. I will, sir. I will. I said good day. All right. he this feels like, okay, here's why I really dig this. This feels like what each of these looks to me like what royal garments would arrive in, right? String, wax seal, that's what they would actually be sending them in, right? All right, let's see what else we got here. Ooh, oh. There's that. I wonder what these are. Okay, get rid of the boxes. This is beautiful. I'm assuming that the candy stripe string, this is the only package with the candy stripe string, that's the one he wants me to open first. I'm just gonna guess. Let's do it. Oh, look at that. This is that beautiful, oh, wow. This is the, look at that. That's gorgeous. What a lovely piece. You'll have to forgive me. I don't know the names of any of these things. My obsession with the Windsors is only just beginning, so I have yet to do all the ancillary obsessive data gathering I normally do. As I'm just at the start of this obsession, not in the middle of it. This is beautiful. All right. Lovely piece. Okay. One part is down. Oh, look at this. Breeches. Breeches? Breeches? Nice breeches. Yes. Yep, that's reasonable for the stockings. Okay. You know, it's funny, when Chad told me that he made it out of curtains, I was thinking it was going to be really heavy, but no. This is actually lovely. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's just, yes. Yep. Yes. What the well-dressed king is wearing. Oh, yeah. Ooh, frilly. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a puffy shirt. Oh, wow. Wow. Chad. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Okay. I'm going to change my camera angle. It's freezing cold, so I'm going to do this while wearing my long sleeve shirt. Ooh. Oh yeah. There we go. costumes. Okay, right? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, you made it tight. Oh, ooh, goodness gracious. Ooh. Could it be my neck is no larger than a 16? Oh, I may have to adjust that slightly. Come on. There we go. Where's the... Oh, there it is. Come on. There we go. Yes, puffy shirt. I would totally dress like this every day. I'm totally down with this kind of style of dress. Come on. Great. Okay. Now it's getting exciting. Oh, this is awesome. This is a fantastic addition. I'm delighted to add this to my costume collection. Oh, now we get this. Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, right, we got... Oh, damn. Yeah. Women love his snuff and his gallant stroll. Yeah. Yeah, I quoted Washington. 6'8", weighs a fucking ton. All right, I've saved the best for last. Here we go. This is crazy. Oh my God, this is the cape. Oh my goodness. What a thing. Holy shit. Excuse me for cursing, but... Whoa! Wow, wait, are there sleeve holes for this at all? Oh, there's an internal pocket. How about that? Wow, I'm gonna have to back up the camera. Wow, what a magnificent piece. Yeah, it is literally just a cape. It is just a cape. Okay. Reset the camera. I think I've gotten the shot that I needed. Here we go. We're going to put on the cape. Wow. I totally need to make the scepter now. Wow. Does this jacket even button? Yo, do you even lift, bro? All right. Oh, I'm definitely making a much more robust crown now. Oh, what comes next? Soon you'll see. You'll remember you belong to me. Yeah, I probably shouldn't sing the copyrighted music, but I can't imagine that Lynn or Jonathan or Paul or any of those guys, Alex, will get mad at me for it, but still. I mean, they'd get mad because I'm butchering their song. Dude, this is an amazing construction. Wow. Chad Evett, Sir, my hat is off to you. Yes, this is incredible, and I'm going to attempt I'm going to attempt to get a shot of this. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, I'm just having way too much fun with all this. Oh, yeah. I mean, how do you store all this? I'm gonna have to make its own costume box. This is an amazing addition to my costume collection. Chad, the shoulders, the jacket, the vest. I know I need some suspenders and I need to take these breeches in, and I will. And we'll also get Norm over here to take some good photos of this, but holy hell, what a thing to add to my costume collection. It's simply magnificent. Dude. All right. Ooh, these pockets are actually even real. Oh, pockets. Well, that is some of the most fun I've had photographing a costume in recent memory. Thank you guys for joining me for this. Thanks to Chad Evett, who designed and built this beautiful suit that I am wearing. And thanks specifically to my friends, the amazing team here at City Arts and Lectures that graciously allowed us use of the Sydney Goldstein Theater today for this photo shoot. There is no better place we could have done this right now. All right, see you guys next time.